What up, DCC? So I wake up from a pretty good dream, and I'm scrolling on my YouTube feed. And I see a short with a black chick, nice looking black chick, thick too, and mutts. Demon hounds on top of that. Dressing them up as if they're children. The puppy, the demon pup, in a baby cradle. She proceeds to take it out of the cradle and start carrying it around and patting its back like she would a human. Then the biggest demon mutt starts licking her in the mouth. She starts kissing its filthy, nasty, salivating, bloodthirsty tongue. She had 3 of these things. You dog lovers, especially you demon hound lovers, need fucking help. You are absolutely fucking deranged. I did not want to wake up to that shit. If any kids run into this, I'm keeping these cuss words. I mean, I'm probably gonna cuss some more. That's my point. So don't run away. I want you to know just how fucking sick dog love is, and I want you to feel the passion of my hatred for nuttery. Again, I find it hard to actually hate anything or anybody. And when I say anything, I'm talking about a living creature. Oh, but I can definitely hate a mindset and hate a behavior. And I fucking hate nuttery with everything inside of me. I go in the comments. Lo and behold, these women in droves. Fur baby this, fur baby that. That shit's not funny, dude. It's not fucking funny. It's not cute, and it's not funny. Young men, if you run into this video, if you meet any chick, and I mean any, I don't care how good she looks, how thick she is, how nice she behaves. If you are met with one of these chicks who talk like this, who love mutts, and furthermore refer to them as fur babies, you kindly walk away. You kindly tell them, no thanks, I'm not interested. I'm focused on my studies right now. And you walk away. Or you tell them you're taken and you walk away. do not entertain that shit. 'Cause you are basically talking to a dog. A human that behaves like a dog, thinks like a dog, and would probably sleep with a dog, as in sexually. Walk away, buddy. You just walk away, my guy. There's plenty of fish out here, and you don't need a dogfish. These people are deranged. And y'all see, I emphasized it was the women. Women are very impressionable creatures, man. Easily fooled and easily deceived. And women have taken a huge leap off of the mountain of sanity ever since they started being given rights. Ever since they started being given equality, I use that term very loosely. I put air quotes on that shit. They lost their mind and have gone down into all sorts of straight up fuckery. Avoid these types of women at all costs. You are dealing with a mentally deranged person. A psychopath and a narcissist. And probably infected with some kind of parasite from her mutts. And once again, this especially applies to women who love demon mutts, aka pit bulls. You should already know what I mean when I say that. Fucking weirdo. I'm single by choice. I have to beat off women with a stick, cause quite frankly, I'm a hot guy. And I'm not even lying. I'm not saying that just to say that. Women like me, man. It gets weird as far as women go in my world. But I've seen that the majority of women walking around today are absolutely fucked. Not only do I not have time for their shenanigans, but I refuse to bring a child into a mutt-worshipping world. I refuse to bring a child into a world where they can potentially be mauled to death by one of these fur baby ass demon hound hoarding women. A woman who is more likely to be a victim of that demon mutt attacking her. These people are dangerous to themselves and to everyone around them. Stay the fuck away. And women, you do the same for these nutter men. It goes both ways.